Hello everyone. In this video, we will review the Galxe platform, which is a pool of opportunities. If you're ready, let's get started. Galxe is a leading Web3 identity data network. Built on an open and collaborative infrastructure, Galxe helps Web3 projects leverage digital identity data and NFTs to create better products and efficient communities. This platform includes airdrops, testnets, and many rewarded tasks. Projects wishing to reward users with airdrop or testnet rewards for specific tasks collaborate with Galxe. In Galxe, which also has its own token named Gal token, you can earn points and airdrop rewards. I will show you how to do this. Firstly, you need to visit the Galxe website. Then hover over the Galxe ID button and click on the passport option. At this step, you need to connect your wallet. Connect your MetaMask wallet using the BNB chain network. Now, we need to mint the passport. When signing up for Galxe, you need to have some BNB in your account. Click on the mint option. At this step, a fee of 0.02 BNB will be deducted from you. After confirming this transaction, you need to upload your identity to the system. Upload your information and join the world of Galxe. Once all the transactions are completed, your account will be approved. After your account is approved, you are now ready to perform tasks. First, you need to link your social media accounts to the system from the settings section. Link all your accounts one by one. It is mandatory to do this in order to perform tasks. If you want to change your username, you can do so, but changing your username after performing tasks will cause you to lose your points. From the wallet section, you can also add wallets other than MetaMask. If your profile is ready to participate in projects, let's start performing tasks. I will explore all the projects in the Explore section. Here, you can see many projects and many tasks. If you wish, you can use the filter here according to the tasks you want to do or your specific preferences. I visit any project and review its tasks. Here you can see the tasks. Each task has a different point value. Since your social media accounts are linked to Galxe, performing tasks is quite practical. When you click on the tasks, the system will guide you. You can easily do tasks such as follow, like, or post tasks. The more tasks you do, the more points you will earn. After completing the tasks, don't forget to click the blue button to claim your points. You can see the points, NFTs, and rewards you have earned in the Galxe ID profile section. The point section is updated every hour. You can see your ranking in each project where you have completed tasks on this screen. You can also find projects in the Spaces section. Here, you can see how many active tasks each project has. You can follow the project you want. Galxe really has a large system and a lot of users. Sometimes there are tasks that nobody even does. Try to do the tasks and collect your points. This can offer you the opportunity for cost-free earnings. That's all for now. I will continue to make videos about Galxe. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.